In this video, I'm going to show you how to add classes in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go over here on the left and you want to click on Edit up top and you want to click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, you want to go to Accounting, which is the first tab up top, and you want to click on Company Preferences. In here, you want to make sure Use Class Tracking for Transactions is enabled. Otherwise, you won't be able to do this. So click on here and click on OK. Whenever you do this, you have to wait for a few seconds. There we go, it's going to load, and now you can add your classes very simply. You want to go to the Lists menu top left, and you want to click on Class List. Inside your classes here, you simply want to go and click on Class towards the bottom, and then click on New, and that way you can basically add your class, okay? So I'm going to type in, for example, Sample Class, and I'm going to click on OK. If you want to create it as a subclass of an existing class, you can do that too. Click on OK, and it's going to get added onto your list. So that's how easy that is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.